Hello, Sunny. Good morning.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, can you hear me well, Sunny?
Yes.
All right, well, that's great. Is everything okay with you?
Mhm. Wait me a
How's
minute.
everything? All right, Sunny. Oh, wow. I love your new headphones. It looks nice. It's very girly, and the color is beautiful. Okay, so how's everything going with you, Sunny?
I'm a little laggy.
It's a little lag, a little lag.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. It's probably your internet connection because I had a class early in the morning and it went well. We also successfully finished our class without any interruption, Sunny. So anyway, can you hear me well?
Yes.
Well, that's great. Okay, so how's the weather out there in your place?
It's rainy.
Ah, all right. It is the complete opposite here in my place because right now it's very sunny, same as your name. Okay, so here, Sunny, we are now in um Unit 2, Test 2. So for part 1, it is all about finding the differences. I want you to look at the picture in here. Okay, have we finished this one yet? Are we done with this already, Sunny? Oh, by the way, I cannot hear you. Please unmute yourself.
Okay. In picture one, the bear is big, but in picture two, the bear is small. In picture one, there are two rainbows, but in picture two, there are one rainbow. In picture one, the bird is flying up to the sky, but in picture two, the bird is sit on the tree. Mm,
Anything
mm,
else?
Maybe. Think. Mm,
Anything else, Sunny?
No.
Nothing else. Actually, there's still another one. Look for it.
Ah! In picture one, there are two rocks. Mm, next beside the tree, but in picture two, there aren't any rocks.
That's right. So very good. Wow, this picture is nice, but there are only few differences. So very good because you found all those differences, Sunny. Great job. So of course, I'll give you 4 stars for 4 differences here. Now let's talk about the picture. I want you to look at the first picture. Let's focus on this. Okay, so what animals can you see here? Yes, Sunny? Yes, what are the animals that you can see in this picture, Sunny?
I can see a bear, a fish, a bird.
That's right, very good. So, which place is this?
It's on the forest, maybe.
Of course, it is in the forest. Why do you say that it is somewhere in the forest?
Because it has a river, a Christmas tree, and some of the bells. But if there's not a river, they don't have any bells.
Yes, so you are actually right because we can see the trees, the mountains, and the rivers. So it's perfect that it is somewhere in the forest. I want you to take a look at these trees in here, Sunny. So do you know what is called?
Like uh, what is I don't know.
This is the kind of tree that pandas like to eat. So what is
Bamboo.
it? That's right. So these are bamboo trees. Okay, now I want you to look at the Christmas tree. Yes, you are right. So this is actually the kind of tree that that we can see during Christmas. However, this is not all. The Christmas tree is called a Christmas tree because we put on some lights, some balls, and other decorations to set up a Christmas tree. However, this kind of tree is what we call a pine tree. Yes, we can actually see this one in the forest. And you know what? Whenever that you're going to light a fire in this pine tree, it easily creates a big fire. Yeah, so this is what the pine tree looks like. So here, I'm gonna show you what a real pine tree looks like, Sunny, because the picture in here is so much, I mean, it's very far from the reality of a pine tree, like this one. Look, can you see? This is what a pine tree looks like. Okay, and another pine tree like here. When it's winter, this is what a pine tree looks like that. Are there many pine trees around your area, Sunny?
No.
No, all right. Or whenever that you can see this, then this is pine tree, like that. Okay, so that is actually the tree that they use to make a Christmas tree. Yes, they use pine tree. But you know what? When we go to different malls, we can see different Christmas tree that are actually not made out of pine tree. They just commercialize it. Yes. Okay, do you set up a Christmas tree every Christmas at home, Sunny?
Yes.
Wow. So what are the things that we have to put on the Christmas tree?
With decorations like a light balls and some some Santa Claus like is a toy. It's lots of decorations for the trees and many things too.
That is right. Very good. So, what is one thing that you like best about celebrating Christmas?
Is open the present.
That's right. Of course, like as a kid, that is one thing that everyone can't wait to receive the present from Santa Claus. So, what was the present that you received last Christmas from Santa? Did you receive a bike, a computer, a dress?
Yes, yes, yes. But I have a computer game.
Ah, all right. So, you receive a computer from Santa, right? Is that right, Sunny? What did you receive from Santa last Christmas?
I want a computer game, so I to prefer to the Santa Claus that I want a computer game.
All right. So hopefully this Christmas, next week, next month, where the Burr month starts. It's already Burr month. So when we call it Burr month, because it's September, October, November, and December. Whenever it's September, then that's when the Burr months start, like that. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this Christmas this year, you will receive what your heart longs for. Yeah, if your heart longs for a computer, then hopefully you'll get a computer. But computer is a little bit expensive, right? Okay, tell me, Sunny, why do you want to have a computer?
Because I want to watch TV and watch video and teaching. That's just like
That's it. That's the only those are the only reasons that you want a computer?
I also want to play games, but my mom don't have any machine to play games, so I prefer to have a computer game.
Yes. Oh, you know what? If you're gonna tell your mom about it, I'm pretty sure that your mom would ask you, okay, Sunny, why do you want to have a computer then? Then if that's how you're gonna
But
say it
then
to
she
her,
said
then
to me, no, no computer
that's
game.
absolutely correct. No, I'm not gonna buy you a
No,
computer if that's the
I
only reason
want.
that you want to have a computer. Yes. All right. So you can actually, you know what, Sunny? There are so many things that a computer can do aside from just using it for entertainment. Yeah. Just like me. Like I need a computer for work. I need a computer to earn money like that aside from my real job. Okay. Or my main job. Then with my siblings, they would ask me like, hey, like ate is like a big sister in Filipino. So it's like ate, I want a computer, but then I would ask them, oh, why do you want to have a computer or why do you want to have a phone? They would say, oh, because I want a phone because I can browse on TikTok. So I wouldn't hesitate to say no, no phone or no computer. But if they say, ate, I want a computer because I need it for school. I need to do my research like that. Then if I do have the money, then I'll buy them because it is what they need. Yeah, so same thing with you. Since those are your reasons why you want a computer, then that those are not practical reasons to buy one for you, Sunny. Okay, so whenever that you join in our class, what do you use? Do you use a laptop? Yes, Sunny, I can't hear you. Oh, I cannot hear you anymore, Sunny. Can you hear me? You try to unplug, then plug in again your headset. Let me see. Oh, you can hear me, but I cannot hear you. What happened? Okay, can you hear me now, Sunny?
Yes,
All right, there you are. So what was my question earlier? Oh, whenever that you have an online class, what equipment do you use?
I use a computer.
Ah, all right. Then you already have a computer. Why don't you just use that computer to watch some movies, watch some videos like that? Don't buy a new one. Okay, what's
But it's
wrong? Is
very
there any
boring.
It's very boring. Why?
Ah, it's very boring when I watch a video.
Ah, you can actually watch a video once you finish, you make an agreement with your mom. You can tell your mom, Mom, I want to watch some videos online. Then your mom would say, okay, you have to do your homework first. Once you finish
No
doing the,
homework. I hate
no,
homework.
oh, you're done with all the homework?
Don't like homework and I don't want to do
Mm.
homework.
Oh no, but as long as you're still a student, you have to deal with the homework almost every day. That's part of being a student. Well, you're so lucky because in my class, I don't give you homework. Yeah. So this is the easiest class that you have. But whenever you have the classes from school, I'm 100% sure that all your teachers give you some homework after the discussion, right? Yes. Anyway, Sunny, for that one, you've got 4 stars. Now let's move on with part two in here. So it is all about picture story. So this picture is all about Fred and the tiger. So the main character is Fred, who is a boy. Now this time I want you to make a story out of the picture. You can do it, Sunny. Oh, I cannot hear you again. Do not mute yourself because whenever that you mute it like this, then I cannot hear you.
Okay.
Hmm.
Once there was a boy named Fred. He is she he is watching a video about the lions. His dad came up and see that and on go to see the lions. He and the cat watch more about the lions. Next, 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 please.
Oh, sorry. Here.
So, at night, he dreamed about a lion. He dreamed very carefully one night, but something wrong with them. He sees a lion in the dark skies. He thinks, oh, he shouted, oh, it's a lion over there. Help me! But his dad said, no, it's not a lion. It's your cat. And the Fred is very smile. He thinks it's, it's a lion, but no, it's a cat. He is very silly and he's happy now. Hee.
Wow, so magnificent, Sunny. Great job on that one because you completely understood the 4 pictures in here and you successfully created a beautiful story. Now, let me ask you some question about the story. So, why did Fred dream about the lion?
Because in at night he watched a movie about lion. So he
Yes.
dreamed like that.
That is right. Very good. So what about you, Sunny? Do you like watching movies at night before you go to bed?
No,
No. Did it ever happen to you that you dream about something because you saw it right before you go to sleep?
no.
Wow, you're very lucky. Because you know what? Some children will dream about ghosts or monsters because they like watching horror movies before they go to bed. Yeah. Same thing with my student before. Like she complained that, oh, you know what, teacher? I cried on my sleep because I saw myself dying and dying because of what do we call that? Because I don't know how to swim. It's because I asked her, "Oh, why is it that you dream about dying?" And she said because I watched a video in Facebook where the kid is asking some help because she doesn't know how to swim. And I was like, that is why. We really have to be careful on what to watch,
Oh,
especially before we go to bed, like that. Okay, now look at Fred at the end in the third picture in here. All right. So why did he shout in the middle of the night?
Because he see eyes of the lion. But it's not. It's a eye of the cat.
That's right. And look at the cat. The color of it and the stripes of it is the same thing with the lion. However, the cat is sweeter than the lion and it is a pet. But do you know that oh, by the way, it's not a lion, this is a tiger. Yeah, it is a tiger,
Yeah.
Sunny. When
Tiger. And if they are have men, they are a tiger, a lion,
oh,
man.
tigers and lion are different. When we say
I
lion, that
know.
is a man. Lion is a
And
man. When we
lions,
say woman, that is a lioness. Okay. But when we say, oh no, man, not man, we call it male. Male lion, that's a lion. When we say lioness, that is a female lion. And when we say the baby lion, we call it a cub. All right. But for the tiger, whether it's female or male, that is still a
feel
tiger.
scary.
All right. Okay, so anyway, Sunny, it's already time. So for today, you've got 15 stars in total, and you can convert it however you want. So thank you so much for joining, Sunny. I hope that you learned something. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.